What's up guys, it's Original Dobo, and today I want to talk about a really quick promotion. You guys know I'm working with DroneWorks and they are providing drones so that I can do reviews. Well, they are going to be running a promotion for Halloween. Well, sort of, actually after Halloween. You know how everybody has a jack-o'-lantern and we don't know what to do with it, so we end up always throwing it away. Here's a really easy way that you can win yourself a spare battery for your drone. So we're going to be giving away one Autel Evo battery or a Mavic 2 battery. And hell, if we get enough of people to submit to this, we may give away both an Evo battery and the Mavic 2 battery on DroneWorks Facebook page. So here's how you enter. One, take a video of you smashing your jack-o'-lantern in a creative way. It's got to be really good. Send it to the DroneWorks Facebook page and make sure you like their Facebook page and then hashtag DoboSmash so we know that you saw this video and that's where you came from. Really simple. So smash your freaking pumpkin. I'm gonna smash my pumpkin right. I'm going to smash a pumpkin. I'm gonna get a pumpkin. So that's all you have to do. Get a pumpkin, smash it. Obviously be safe.
You talk about a house of fire, you're seeing it right here.
Smash a pumpkin, take a video of it, send it over to the Facebook page in the link below, and get a chance to win yourself a free battery. I'm gonna be picking the winner. So if it's good, I like it, I'm gonna send you out a battery. Thanks for watching. Stay original, guys.
He's wrestling the match his way, and I think it's gonna pay off, mark my words.